Let's see this interesting question. We have two circles with center O and O dash intersecting each other at point P and Q. Let's join OO dash. Now we are drawing a line segment AB which is passing through Q and this is parallel to OO dash. We have to prove that the length of AB is 2 times of length of OO dash. Let's see the proof of it. So it's given to us that two circles are there which are intersecting at point P and Q, and AB is a line segment which is parallel to OO dash. Here we have to prove 2 times of OO dash is equals to AB. Let's do the construction here. First I am drawing perpendicular from O on AB. Let's call it OM. So this line is perpendicular here. Let's make this angle 90 degree. Same way we are drawing the another line ON perpendicular to AB. So this angle is also 90 degrees. Let's check the proof of it. We know that a perpendicular from center bisects the chord. तो ये जो M है this is bisecting AQ. AQ एक chord है. So this two lengths are equal here. And same way in the other circle we'll see QB is a chord and a line perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. So these lengths are equal. In fact, let's call this length as X and X. The other length will be Y and Y. So AM and MQ we are taking as X and X, and QN and NB we are taking as Y. Now let's check this quadrilateral, that is MN, O dash and O. So in this quadrilateral it's already given to us that these two lines are parallel, and these other two lines, if we'll see that their co-interior angle this is 90 degrees. So OM and O dash M they are also parallel to each other because co-interior angle sum is 180 degrees. So if opposite sides are parallel, we can say this quadrilateral is nothing but a parallelogram, and in parallelogram the opposite sides are equal to each other. So we can say OO dash is equals to MN, but MN अगर आप देखेंगे तो MN is nothing but X plus Y. So multiplying them with 2 on each side. Now 2 times OO dash is 2x plus 2y. This is what is length of AB. AB is nothing but 2x plus 2y. So OO dash is equals to AB. And this is what we had to prove, hence proved. I hope the solution is crystal clear to you. We'll see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.